here is a real-world off-road focused comparison covering drivetrain, terrain capability, durability, and practicality. Drivetrain and 4x4 systems. 2026 Dacia Duster Hybrid 150 4x4 system. Advanced AWD using 48V hybrid plus rear electric motor plus 2-speed gearbox. Power 154 horsepower/230 Newton meters. Drive modes: snow, mud/sand, off-road, eco, auto, hill descent. Range up to 1,500 kilometers. Petrol plus LPG hybrid system. Focus: intelligent traction plus efficiency plus comfort. This is one of the most advanced AWD hybrid systems in the compact SUV class, offering excellent traction on sand, gravel, mud, and light rock crawling. It is highly capable while remaining smooth on road. 2026 Suzuki Jimny Nomade 5-door system. Traditional part-time 4WD with low range 4L. Power 101 horsepower/130 Newton meters. Chassis: ladder frame plus solid axles. Drive modes: 2H/4H/4L manual selection. Focus: pure mechanical off-road toughness. The Jimny remains one of the most capable factory off-roaders in the world, with true low-range gearing, excellent articulation, and extreme durability. Chassis and suspension. Winner: Jimny Nomade. Stronger frame plus better articulation for hardcore terrain. Terrain performance breakdown, mud and slippery trails. Duster: excellent electronic traction control plus AWD logic. Jimny: excellent with 4L plus locking effect from solid axles. Thai: both perform extremely well. Sand and desert. Duster: strong torque, long range, stable chassis, excellent sand performance. Jimny: very light, excellent flotation, but lower power. Winner: Duster Hybrid 150. Better torque plus stability plus range. Rock crawling and extreme trails. Duster: good, but limited by monocoque chassis. Jimny: outstanding, built for this. Winner: Jimny Nomade. Long expedition/overlanding. Duster: superior comfort, fuel range, space. Jimny: limited cargo, smaller tank. Winner: Duster Hybrid 150. Power and performance. Winner: Duster Hybrid 150. Practicality and comfort. Winner: Duster Hybrid 150. Final verdict: which is the best off-road? Hardcore off-road champion, Suzuki Jimny Nomade 5-door, if your priority is extreme trails, rock crawling, jungle paths, mountain terrain, serious adventure, Jimny is the king. Its ladder frame plus low-range 4WD make it almost unstoppable. Best all-terrain plus daily SUV, Dacia Duster Hybrid 150 4x4, if your priority is mixed terrain, sand plus mud plus trails, long-distance travel, comfort plus fuel efficiency, family plus adventure. Duster is the smarter choice. Final recommendation: pure off-road beast Suzuki Jimny Nomade 5-door. Best overall adventure SUV Dacia Duster Hybrid 150. Extended off-road and ownership comparison. Powertrain and 4x4 technology. Real engineering difference Dacia Duster Hybrid G150 4x4 system output 154 horsepower/230 Newton meters. Rear electric motor 31 horsepower plus 2-speed gearbox. Battery 48V lithium-ion. Fuel system petrol plus LPG dual tanks. Total range up to 1,500 kilometers. Drive modes: auto, eco, snow, mud/sand, lock, hill descent. This is a world-first hybrid plus LPG plus electric AWD system, designed specifically for off-road traction. Plus extreme range. The rear electric motor with its own 2-speed gearbox gives instant torque when grip is lost, which works surprisingly well on sand, gravel, and mud. Suzuki Jimny Nomade 5-door. Engine 1.5 LNA petrol. Power, 101 horsepower/130 Newton meters. 4WD system, mechanical part-time 4WD plus low range 4L. Chassis, ladder frame plus solid axles. Ground clearance, 210 millimeters. This is a true mechanical off-road system, extremely durable and proven globally. The low-range gearbox plus rigid axles allow the Jimny to climb terrain that most crossovers cannot even attempt. Off-road capability, real terrain breakdown, rock crawling and jungle trails. Jimny, outstanding. Ladder frame plus solid axles plus 4L equals dominant. Duster, very good, but monocoque chassis limits extreme articulation. Winner, Jimny Nomade. Sand and desert driving, Duster, superior torque plus wide stance plus 1,500 km range. Jimny, excellent flotation but underpowered. Winner, Duster Hybrid 150. Tested in Moroccan desert, excellent stability and traction. Mud, rain forest, plantation roads. Duster, superb AWD response from rear motor. Jimny, excellent traction using mechanical 4WD. Winner tie. Durability and reliability. Jimny Nomade, proven ladder frame platform. Simple naturally aspirated engine. Minimal electronics. Extremely reliable in harsh conditions. Built for abuse. Duster Hybrid 150. More complex. Hybrid plus electric rear axle plus dual fuel. Strong Renault-Nissan engineering. Designed for durability, but long-term abuse unknown. Advanced but more complex. Durability winner, Jimny. Overlanding and expedition suitability. Duster strengths. Massive driving range. Comfortable long-distance cruising. Big cargo space. Stable at high speeds. Jimny strengths. Superior trail capability. Small size narrow jungle tracks. Extremely tough chassis. Overlanding winner, Duster Hybrid 150. Final off-road conclusion, ultimate pure off-road machine. Suzuki Jimny Nomade 5-door. If your terrain includes jungle tracks, mountains, rock crawling, logging roads, deep ruts, Jimny is unbeatable. Best all-terrain adventure SUV.